Hi, I'm Vanessa Kynes and I'm a Pinterest marketing strategist for creative small businesses. On my page, you'll find Pinterest tips for the creative small business. Today's video is a quick tip to increase the pins from your content onto Pinterest. Now, a lot of people have downloaded the Pinterest Pin It button, which allows you to pin images from your website to Pinterest. But if they haven't downloaded that, it can be really difficult to save images on Pinterest. So let's make it super easy for your user and your reader. And I'm going to recommend my favorite plugin that I use on my WordPress site to encourage people to pin my content. The plugin is called the jQuery Pin It button. What it does is add a hoverable link above your images that makes it easy in one click to save your content onto Pinterest. What we want to do is make the user experience easier for your readers and not harder, and this is going to encourage the number of pins from your website to Pinterest. And that's it. That's my quick tip today. If you're just getting started with Pinterest, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube page, or if you subscribe to my email, you can receive my free Pinterest startup guide where I get you started with using Pinterest for your creative small business. Thanks so much for joining me today.